Hi, this is Skylar with Oliver Smith Jeweler, and today we're taking a look at the Patek Philippe 5396r annual calendar. It of course comes in the standard Patek, very heavy, very beautiful, very glossy wooden box. Since this is an R designated watch, it is a rose gold case. Depending on the light, that reddish tint will be more or less apparent, and with a few exceptions, Patek does seem to produce a more yellow rose gold, as is certainly evident on this piece. Something that is a little more distinct about this complicated Patek is the clean sector dial. It wears blued hands to match its blue indices, and there's a central ring that separates the two slightly different silver finishes present on this dial. A quick Google search is going to show you a lot of examples of similar sector dialed watches dating back to the early 20th century, and the appearance really does resemble something between the Art Deco and Bauhaus art and design movements of the time. The date apertures are beautifully chamfered to make a smooth transition down to the underlying wheels, and the moon phase is placed directly and proportionately above 6 o'clock. The complications are adjusted in a traditional manner via push buttons on the sides of the case. And when you turn the watch over, you're presented with an exhibition back, which allows an unobstructed view of the caliber 324 and its 347 components and 34 jewels. The watch wears a nice brown crocodile strap on a deployant clasp of the more simple chevron variety, as opposed to the Calatrava cross clasp. The 5396 is 39 millimeters in diameter, 11.5 millimeters thick, 46.8 millimeters lug to lug, and has a lug width of 21 millimeters. All these dimensions make it a very easy to wear dress watch with slightly more modern proportions. As you can see, the overall effect is very beautiful. See our description for our website and contact information, and please like and subscribe for more watch content, and leave your comments and questions down below. Thanks for watching.